So have some blinds here, and one of the cords got pulled in, and so I'm trying to fix that. So I had to remove the cover here, which is just a couple little clips right there. You just push it underneath and that pops it out. Okay, and then on the edges here, it's got a little opening there. You can open it up and release the blinds, and here they are on the floor here. So it was this cord right here was pulled out. This one was. Okay, and so that's this side, the other side of the thing, the blinds, to make them rotate up or down. So this one, I followed the cord all the way to the end, and I saw that it was broken here. And basically it's with this bunch right here, and it needs to go in there, down through there, out, and attach back into this group of things. So that's what we're going to do. We'll just use some tweezers to pull it through here, and we'll call it good. So it wasn't going through there very well. I'm just going to take a little piece of tape. I'm going to wrap that around, hopefully, so we can fit it through there a little easier. All right, now we have a little, so I have to feed it up under this, and it would help to have some really small hands right here. All right, it's got to go up and under. Of course, it's got to be up and under. Why wouldn't it be up and under? Because that was the most difficult thing to do. All right, I think what I'm going to try to do is maybe get some tweezers, maybe? Maybe I can get some this is really level of difficulty 70. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, so we got that. Have some tweezers here. Maybe I can. It's like a game of Operation. Remember that game, the Operation? Ah! Okay, we got it. Now it needs to go back down in there. Okay, so that goes along here. These are some pretty heavy blinds too, so that's probably why the cord broke. They're quite. If you have a lot of blinds like this, I believe it's like 6 feet, so it's about 20 pounds. So when you're pulling on this cord, they break down after a while. So to assist yourself, if you are raising the blinds, if you use one hand to lift up underneath while you're pulling down on the cord, it's a little less stress on your cords there. Okay, so we fed that through there, out the bottom here, and now I'm just going to make sure it's nice and taut, and then tie it in with these other ones here. So we'll do that. Okay, I managed to feed this through the back part, and now it's joined with all its buddies right here. So we're going to tie that in through here, and then we'll put that back up here, and I think we are good to go. So let's go ahead and tie that on there, and then make sure they're all nice and taut all at the same time.